Another caller stating the male got into a white Kenworth semi-truck, and the male was holding the gun in his hands. Thinks he might be 235. Units responding to North Alma School, getting reports that the male is waving the 422 around now.
35. They're flashing headlights at us on the west end of the parking lot. Where's he at?
He's right in there somewhere. He crawled into a truck. I have a pistol on me right now.
Okay, you're fine.
Safe.
You're fine. Hey, negative. We should be just north of my location in a bunch of vehicles. They're not sure exactly where he went now.
He's running in hell right now, too. Watch out! Hands on your head! Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put your hands up! Come on, get a car in between them. On your head! Hands on your head now! Do not move! Put those hands up! Put those hands up! Did they shoot it?
I don't know if they actually did shoot him or not. They fired 2 shots. I could hear him yelling, put the gun down.
He's been hit, look. The way he's sitting there?
He's just hanging in there right now.